Back locally now, many-time champions at Clarendon College have once again achieved the rural area supremacy after defeating Central High in the final of the 10th DaCosta Cup. Denise Walters reports.
The Clarendon Derby was a highly anticipated game with a surprise package of Central High looking to continue their fairy tale run led by talismanic captain Delane Clark with 7 goals and Shane Gordon with 6. But many-time champions Clarendon College had extra motivation coming into this game with the loss of their assistant manager just a day earlier. And it was evident on the pitch as Clarendon dominated the contest from start to finish, dispatching Central 3-0 in a commanding display at Stets. Clarendon made a brisk start to the game when Captain Malachi Douglas led from the front, scoring his 11th goal of the season in the 13th minute. Christoph Graham added some security, doubling the lead in the 60th minute. The game was wrapped up 5 minutes from time after Clarendon's top goal scorer, Kaheem Douglas, had his say. Coach Lenny Hyde is extremely proud of his team, especially considering the circumstances.
Great feeling, seeing that what we went through over the other day. I think it was a moral boost for the players to go and do this one for our manager, Mr. Peart. I think they put it all on the pitch today. They showed discipline, they showed the determination to get back this trophy that we lost last year. So it was a very good performance from the boys, and I must lift my hat to the team.
Meanwhile, Coach Jermaine Douglas is grateful his side made it to this stage.
It was a good run from the boys. No one expected us to be here. Having been here though, would have loved to have won, but never worked out that way today, so we're giving thanks anyway. Good platform for next year. Most of the boys can come back, so we just have to assess the season, start the program over, and improve and try to do better next year.
This was Clarendon College's 10th title. Denise Walters for TVJ Sports.